Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on Lenovo Yoga Book 9. In order to toggle the touchpad, there are, I think, 3 ways. So the first one is tapping with 3 fingers on the bottom screen, and it opens this virtual touchpad that you can resize or simply move. Then you can use it. As you can see, it all works. You can also click with 8 fingers on the bottom screen, and that will enable both the keyboard and the touchpad. And now you can simply use it. Of course, it works on both screens. Now let's get to the last method, which is placing a physical keyboard on the top part of the bottom screen, and now the touchpad is enabled, so you can also see it all works. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.